The Margarita is a renowned cocktail combining tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur, typically served in a glass rimmed with salt. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces tequila. Blanco tequila is usually preferred for its clean and crisp flavor. 1 ounce lime juice. Freshly squeezed lime juice is ideal for the best flavor. 1 ounce triple sec. Common choices include Cointreau or any high-quality orange liqueur. 1 slice lime, for garnish. Optional salt, to rim the glass. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, margarita glass, ice, plate for salt rim. Here are the instructions. Rub the rim of the margarita glass with the lime slice to wet it, then dip the rim into the salt on a plate to coat it evenly. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Pour in the tequila, lime juice, and triple sec using a jigger for accurate measurement. Shake well until the mixture is chilled, about 10 to 15 seconds. Strain the mixture into the prepared margarita glass filled with fresh ice. Garnish with a lime slice on the rim of the glass. The margarita is believed to have been created in the late 1930s or early 1940s in Mexico. One popular story says it was invented by a bartender named Carlos Danny Herrera at his restaurant, Rancho La Gloria, because an aspiring actress named Marjorie King was allergic to all spirits except tequila.